Move data faster with support for speeds up to 100 gigabits per second and innovative and versatile technologies that optimize workload performance. The new Intel Ethernet 800 series introduces new controllers and adapters with 25, 50, and 100 gigabit per second speeds. Multiple form factors like PCIe and OCP NIC 3.0, broad OS support, and flexible software-based port configuration, bringing unmatched versatility to network deployments. Intel has gone beyond the connection with innovative capabilities that optimize workload performance on the platform. Increasing server workloads can lead to high-priority applications contending for network bandwidth, which can slow throughput and increase latency for those applications. New application device queues on the 800 series dedicate express lanes to high-priority applications, improving application response time predictability, reducing latency, and improving throughput. By increasing predictability, ADQ can help service providers meet their service level agreements and scale service delivery to reach more customers. New, advanced, and proprietary network protocols are common, especially in communications deployments. When an Ethernet adapter encounters traffic with an unknown protocol, it sends those packets to the host CPU for classification. This extra step slows throughput and consumes host CPU cycles. The 800 series supports Enhanced Dynamic Device Personalization, or DDP. It adds classification support for new and unknown protocols on demand, improving throughput, reducing latency, and lowering host CPU utilization. Modern storage deployments require fast data access, low latency, and lossless performance. 800 series adapters support remote direct memory access, including iWarp and Rocky V2. iWarp is based on TCP/IP and ideal for large-scale deployment in data centers. Rocky V2 is based on UDP/IP and is best suited for rack-level deployments. The 800 series can support both RDMA protocols concurrently. And versatile congestion control technologies for RDMA deployments improve throughput and reduce latency for congested network environments. Whether it's cloud, 5G RAN or NFV, HPC, AI, or enterprise, the new technologies on Intel Ethernet 800 series network adapters give you the capability and flexibility you need to move data faster, deliver new services, and meet ever-changing customer demands. Learn more about 800 series network adapters and technologies at intel.com/Ethernet.